So the Equine Science course includes a balance of theoretical and practical scientific knowledge, including everything from exercise physiology, nutrition, equine health and disease and behaviour, and everything in between as well. The Equine Science Award at ARU Writtle is especially unique in terms of not only the lecturers and level of expertise that we have available. Most of our staff have worked and may still be involved in the industry, so they're able to apply that to their teaching. That also relates to the equipment and facilities we have. We're really lucky to have a really amazing yard facility with all the equipment that you would expect to see and experience out in industry. So the students get to experience that here throughout their courses and use that equipment. But we also have technology as well, which we incorporate within our teaching, and students get the opportunity to use in their own research in their third year for their major project. We've got everything from things like the mechanical horse, which we can use things like TechScan, which is a saddle sensor, and TeleRain, which measures rein pressure, to other equipment. For example, we've got head collars, which can measure the amount of chewing which horses do and the frequency of that when they're presented with different food types as well. So it's a real combination of different teaching styles, which is really useful for appealing to a range of different learning styles with our students.
In my particular course, we use pretty much every facility we have here at Writtle. My first year we did a lot of dissections in the lab area, which was absolutely amazing, and I really enjoyed that. It gave me a massive in-depth knowledge of the horse generally. Then the arenas and yard facilities at Writtle and me being on the Equine Academy has meant that I've had lots of opportunities to not only just use the facilities, but also all the exciting technology which we have the opportunity to use.
While obviously an interest in horses is an absolute must, actually having that practical hands-on experience is something that we kind of weave into part of our delivery. So it's one of our things that we will pride ourselves on in terms of the course design and our graduates that go out into the industry, is that we not only obviously have designed the course to fit with what's required, but also we've embedded industry within the courses as well in terms of live briefs, opportunities for students to get involved with research projects with industry in their third year, opportunities for work experience with companies that work with ARU Writtle as well. So it's very much that fact that we have embedded industry within our courses, which makes the course stand out from other courses in terms of graduate opportunities and graduate ability as well. Thank you for watching. We really hope to welcome you onto our campus soon.